Have you ever cracked an egg into your pan, only to wonder if it was actually fresh or already too old to use? It's something many people overlook, but using fresh eggs can make a huge difference in both taste and texture. So, before we start cooking, let me show you a simple and quick freshness test that anyone can do right at home. Prepare 2 glasses and fill them with water until they're almost full. Then, gently place each egg into a glass. Let's take a look. If the egg is fresh, it will sink to the bottom and lie flat on its side. And if the egg is old, it will stand upright or even float on the surface like this. Based on that, I pick out the freshest eggs to begin. Tip 1. Fluffy eggs. First, prepare 4 small glass bowls and crack 1 egg into each bowl. Next, use a whisk to beat the eggs until they are completely smooth. Prepare another glass bowl of the same size and pour an amount of milk into it equal to the amount of egg in one of the previous bowls. Then, pour the milk from each bowl into the respective egg bowls so that the ratio of milk to egg in each bowl is 1:1. This ratio will help the steamed eggs have a softer, smoother, and creamier texture. Continue stirring with a whisk until the milk and egg mixture is fully combined. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. At this step, you can add a pinch of salt to taste or include your favorite vegetables like green onions, cilantro, or finely chopped carrots. Then, gently stir one more time to ensure all ingredients are evenly mixed. Now, I place a pot on the stove and pour about 500 milliliters of water into it. I heat it until the water begins to warm up and tiny bubbles appear at the bottom of the pot. Gently place each bowl of egg mixture into the pot. The hot steam will help the eggs cook slowly, creating a soft and smooth texture. Be very careful to avoid splashing water into the bowls. Next, I cover the pot tightly and steam the eggs over medium heat for about 20 minutes. Next, I prepare 5 silicone molds and place them in the air fryer tray. Then, I mix a small amount of clean water with ½ teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vinegar in a measuring cup, stirring well with a spoon. If you want your eggs to taste better, try adding a little soy sauce or a pinch of pepper. Simple, but surprisingly delicious. After that, I pour a little of this mixture into the bottom of each mold. This step is very important. It creates moisture during cooking, helps the egg whites set gently, and prevents the eggs from sticking to the molds. Now, I crack 1 egg into each silicone mold. Be gentle when cracking the eggs, so the yolks stay intact and don't break. Using a heart-shaped silicone mold will give your poached eggs a beautifully neat and eye-catching shape, perfect for making your dish look extra special on camera. You can also get creative by using silicone molds in other fun shapes to make your eggs even more unique and visually appealing. Once I've cracked 5 eggs into the mold, I carefully lift the tray and slide it into the air fryer, getting everything ready for perfectly cooked eggs. I cook them in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. While waiting, I'll prepare another dish that is both simple and interesting. First, I prepare 4 fresh chicken eggs. I crack the eggs into a large bowl, then use a spoon to carefully separate the yolks into 4 small bowls. Next, I place a skillet on the stove, add a little butter, then use a spoon to spread it evenly over the entire surface of the skillet. Once the pan is hot, I place 2 skewers on the pan and gently pour 2 egg yolks onto one end of each skewer. To make the dish more appealing, I sprinkle a little sesame seeds over the surface of the yolks. Then, I finely chop a few scallions and sprinkle a little on top. Finally, I sprinkled a little salt and a little of black pepper on top to enhance the flavor and complete the dish. Next, I cover the pan and fry over low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. By now, 3 minutes have passed. If you prefer your yolks more well done, use a spoon to gently flip the egg skewers and continue frying for a few more minutes. As for me, I really love the yolks soft and creamy with a slight runniness, so I turn off the heat right now and gently transfer the egg skewers to a plate. Look at that! The golden egg skewers, dotted with toasted sesame seeds and fresh green scallions, look absolutely delicious. This makes for a great snack when served with chili sauce or mayonnaise. By now, the 20 minutes of steaming are up. I use tongs to carefully remove each glass bowl from the pot. Just look, the eggs are fluffy, soft, and glossy. When removing the eggs from the bowls, simply invert the bowl onto a plate, and the eggs will gently slide out in a beautiful, round shape, just like pudding. This dish isn't just creamy and rich, it's also very easy to eat and suitable for all ages. I carefully remove the eggs in the silicone molds from the air fryer and let them cool for a few minutes. Removing them is very easy, just gently press around the edges of the silicone molds. Thanks to the layer of water we added earlier, the eggs slide out effortlessly. If you want beautifully shaped, soft, and delicious eggs like this, give this method a try. I'm sure you'll love it. As you can see, silicone molds give the eggs a really beautiful and eye-catching shape. You can also experiment with other cooking methods like boiling or steaming to get different textures. And when you pair them with fun-shaped molds, they turn into something truly exciting. I'm sure your kids will absolutely love these. And that's not all. This is a simple way to make everyday meals more fun and creative. Feel free to mix in your favorite ingredients like vegetables, cheese, or even a bit of ham to make each serving unique and even more delicious. If you enjoyed this idea, don't forget to give it a try at home and let me know how it turns out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.